There's a planet where it rains glass, sideways. On planet HD 189,733b, winds blow at 5,400 miles per hour, and the atmosphere is full of tiny glass particles that rain horizontally due to the insane winds. Earth is actually inside the atmosphere of the Sun. The Sun's outer atmosphere, the corona, stretches more than 1 million miles out into space, meaning Earth is technically inside the Sun's extended atmosphere. There's a black hole that's, basically, wandering through space. Not all black holes stay in one place. Some drift across the galaxy at millions of miles per hour, swallowing anything in their path.